In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off two-step verification on GoDaddy step by step. If you're having trouble logging in, switching authentication methods, or you simply no longer want to use two-factor authentication on your account, this guide will walk you through the entire process clearly and safely. Make sure you follow each step carefully, especially since this involves your account security. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy to follow tutorials just like this one. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to GoDaddy.com. Once you're on the home page, click the Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your username or customer number and your password, then complete any existing verification step if prompted. After successfully signing in, you'll be taken to your GoDaddy dashboard. Now that you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile name or account icon. Go ahead and click on your profile name. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account. From this drop-down menu, click on Account Settings. This will take you to the main account management area where you can update personal information, login preferences, and security settings. Once you're inside Account Settings, look toward the left-hand side menu. You'll see several tabs such as Personal Info, Contact Preferences, and Security. Click on Security. This is where GoDaddy manages password settings, verification options, and two-step authentication features. After clicking on Security, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Two-Step Verification. In this section, you'll see the current status of your two-step verification. If it's enabled, it will show the method you're using, such as SMS text message and authenticator app or another verification method. To turn off two-step verification, you'll need to disable the active method. Click on the method that is currently enabled. GoDaddy may ask you to verify your identity before allowing you to make changes. This is normal and is done to protect your account. Complete the verification process by entering the code sent to your phone or generated by your authenticator app. Once verified, you should see an option to disable or remove the two-step verification method. Click on Disable and confirm your choice when prompted. After confirmation, two-step verification will be turned off for your GoDaddy account. It's important to understand that disabling two-step verification reduces the security of your account. Without it, your account will only be protected by your password. If you decide to turn it off temporarily, consider re-enabling it later or switching to a different verification method that works better for you. And that's it. You've successfully turned off two-step verification on GoDaddy. The process is straightforward once you know where to look. Sign in, go to your profile, open Account Settings, click Security, find two-step verification, and disable the active method. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy GoDaddy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.